Here's a fun character that I've got put together through Meshy, just playing around with more stylized explorations. But right now I just want to show how the Boop toolset can be used to take this very highly detailed mesh that's come out and make it into something that's a little bit more lightweight while still preserving all of those lovely textures and everything from the original output. So all I'm going to have to do is open up Boop, process the selected. We can see the original UV layout over here. On an organic model like this, I'm sure that we're still going to see some similar fragmentation, but we'll see how we go. You can see his little eye sort of poking out there. So it's suggesting 147k, but I think we can push it down further than this. I'm going to say 35,000 and see how that comes out. Right, so we can see the triangle preview is preserving everything we care about. Got that lovely silhouette still preserved with the shoes and the legs and all the rest. So let's apply that, preserving the texture detail. So we go 4096 because that's an important part of this character. So I'm going to go apply and we'll see how it turns out. So it's going to be reducing the mesh, generating those textures, and then the textures are applied over a new UV layout. So we can see the new UV layout here. Like I said, there's still a bit of fragmentation here because it's a very organic model, but we can see that there's a little bit more cohesion in terms of the faces that get put together. So we can start actually seeing some of the details, like the top of the bag and everything, and the arms start hanging out together. We still see his little eye here, so we didn't see that get consolidated. But if I turn off here, we can see that the actual textures have been transferred over pretty much flawlessly. So if I show the original mesh next to the generated one, the processed Boop one, we can see that both of them are pretty good. We've preserved that detail and those textures, so I can turn on the view here. So you can see that using Boop, it's actually really easy to get some high quality outputs very quickly. That process just completed in seconds. And yeah, get it onto different platforms, mobiles, whatever, very quickly. So cool.